Last step after all the caddies have been installed is to put on a color match silicone on all the seams. I've already got the color match up top and around the caddies and down below. Saved this one just for the last shot here. So the color match silicone seals up all the seams so that no water can get through. It's very important that the seam is clean before the silicone is applied. To apply the silicone, got a very small portion off the tip of the silicone and just run a bead, very small bead, right into the corner. I have a paper towel. This is my technique, paper towel with a spray bottle of rubbing alcohol. Just moisten the paper towel, get your finger moist, and just run until it starts building up. And then just simply pull the silicone off and wipe it off and begin again. That'll get you a very nice